Today, I will show you how to track opportunities in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. Opportunities help you manage your sales process by showing exactly where each lead is in your pipeline. From the dashboard, click on Opportunities in the left menu. Here you will see your pipelines. Pipelines are like visual boards that show each stage of your sales process. For example, you might have stages like new lead, contacted, appointment scheduled, proposal sent, and closed. Each stage represents a step your lead takes before becoming a customer. To set up your pipeline, go to Settings and choose Pipelines. Click Create New Pipeline, give it a name, and then add as many stages as you need. You can drag and drop to reorder them so they match the natural flow of your sales process. Save the pipeline and it will appear in your Opportunities view. Now let's add an opportunity. Click Add Opportunity, choose the contact, select the pipeline, and pick the stage where they currently belong. You can also enter details like deal value, expected close date, and notes. This makes it easy to track the progress of every potential customer. As leads move through your sales process, you can simply drag and drop their card from one stage to another. This visual tracking gives you a clear idea of how many deals are in each stage and where your revenue is likely to come from. One of the powerful features is reporting. At the top of the Opportunities section, you will see totals for deal value, conversion rate, and other metrics. This helps you measure performance and see where leads might be getting stuck. You can also connect automations to pipeline changes. For example, when an opportunity moves to the appointment scheduled stage, you can trigger an automated reminder email or a notification to your team. This keeps your sales process smooth and consistent without manual follow-up. That is how you track opportunities in GoHighLevel. By setting up pipelines, adding opportunities, and using stage changes, you can keep your sales organized and gain full visibility into your pipeline. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.